Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. Today we're talking about the one and the only, you guessed it, it's Popcat. Popcat's actually been doing very well recently, and we're going to be looking at basically the chart, giving you guys an update and seeing essentially where this thing could be going here over the next coming days, months or so. As you guys know, Popcat is this clicker and it has been going for quite a long time now, and it has had over, what is that, 334 million pops on Popcat so far, which is pretty crazy. But let's do a little bit of an update instead. So over the last day, down 6.11%. You can see it's been pretty brutal, but there is some green here. There has been some upside, so it's not all bad news. Okay, it's not all bad news. We will get to that very shortly here. Currently hovering at a market cap of roughly around 250 million, which in my opinion is underpriced. Okay, why is it underpriced? Let's look at the all-time high market cap right now. Boom, it's actually all the way up at around near enough a $2 billion market cap. It's basically near enough a 10x away from where it should be or where it was at the height of this run. So if you were to buy this asset now and hold it, you're going to make a substantial amount of money here in the future. Okay, so it's definitely not one to overlook here. Definitely a meme that isn't dead. Okay, in my opinion, it would have been dead by now. It would have lost $250 million, and it hasn't. Actually, in the last 7 days, it's up 81%. You heard that correctly. 81% it's up in the last 7 days. You can see it actually came down near enough, tapped $100 million market cap, and now it's basically done near enough a 2x from that zone, which is insanely bullish for a project like this. Okay, insanely bullish. So let's go over into the chart and let's look at the next crucial breakout pattern that we can be trading here to make a substantial amount of money here trading the one and only Popcat. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about an insane raise here that I've been monitoring for quite a while. It's Solana. They've actually raised $30 million now. This thing is insane. It's a layer 2 protocol built for Solana here, and it's basically built to stop network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations, all while having the same strength and security of Solana, being Solana layer 2. The branding's on point. You can see it's all memed base, and that's why I think it's going to have massive success. I look at Base Chain, the memes that got released on that. It's the same sort of thing, but Solana here. And I said $30 million is not a raise to really be ignoring here. Okay, so go check it out. All the links are in the description for that. Definitely not one you want to miss. Now, back into the Popcat chart. Let's look at what we were looking at. I think maybe last week we touched base on this. You can see here very clearly, clear as day, we've got resistance from this zone here. We've got resistance from this zone here. We've got a breakout, baby. We've got a lovely breakout scenario, and you can see on the lower side here, we've got lovely areas of support. What this has formed, it's formed basically a falling wedge, guys. Falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside here. So the measure move is from the lower side of support to the top side of potentially resistance, which isn't resistance because it's the breakout. This creates that measure move. This creates that price target for us to really be aiming for here throughout this move. Now, it's actually a really nice point to enter, okay? And the reason why it is because we've cleared the 55 here on the daily with multiple testing candles to the downside over the last sort of 3 days. We haven't broke it. We found support and it's looking hopeful. So what I'm looking for now is potentially a 61% move here to the upside. Going that ambitious, I think, is a mistake. So instead, we've got to stagger those take profits, guys. Stagger those take profits throughout your trade. And that way, once you hit your first TP, you take your stop loss, which will probably be somewhere down here, and you take your stop loss, put it to your entry point. And that way, you're sat there in a risk-free position. You've already taken profit once with 25% of your equity, okay? And then you take your stop loss to your entry. You're sat there, risk-free trade, 75% of your equity is still in the trade. You're sat there, you're chilling, risk-free, no worries, no stress, no emotions, let it run, okay? And that's the best way you can be trading these breakout scenarios, because just remember, I know it's nice weighing up a nice chart pattern and looking good with the measure move and TA looks great, but these only play out 1 in 3 times, all the way to the top, 1 in 3, okay? So we've got to remember that. But yeah, 61% would be very nice right now. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Popcat, and I will be leaving you there today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like, and again, drop a comment if you did enjoy the video as well. I'm super intrigued to know. Also, guys, don't forget about Solana, $30 million. Looking for a Binance or a Coinbase, or maybe even a Mexi listing here, straight out of the gate. Super bullish on this bad boy. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.